Build your PC series. Do it yourself. The goal of this series is to educate people who may lack some important information. Today, we'll talk about the motherboard, graphics card, RAM, processor, and more. All of these components connect to the motherboard. So, what happens if we choose the wrong motherboard? You'll start experiencing game crashes, blue screens, and black screens, all because of a poor quality motherboard that doesn't perform its function properly. For example, if you have a high-performance processor, you need a good motherboard to ensure proper power delivery. The same applies to a powerful graphics card and RAM. Otherwise, you'll face these issues. My advice to gamers and streamers: choose a motherboard that supports the latest generation. Don't go below the Z590. Start from Z590 and go up to avoid future problems. For the new generation, motherboards have now reached Z890, so choose according to your budget.